Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Haitian Black Rice or Diri Djon Djon mushroom rice. For our ingredients we have rice, Maggi cubes, yellow onion, garlic cloves, frozen green peas, red bell pepper, oil, water, and fresh thyme. If you don't have green peas, you can use lima beans. You want to prepare all your ingredients. Slice your red peppers, dice or chop your onions, and mince your garlic. You want to saute your onions and your garlic for about 2 minutes or until fragrant. Then you want to add your Maggi cubes. You want to dissolve the cubes completely with the garlic and the onion. Once your cubes are dissolved, you want to add in your rice. You want to stir in fully with all the ingredients. You want to add your water and your thyme. You want to stir. You want to cook your rice until it is done. Once it is done, you can add your frozen peas and your red bell peppers and stir all in together. Your black mushroom rice is done. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.